So looking here, we have that a flight is late if it arrives, or on time if it arrives no later than 15 minutes after the scheduled arrival time. Negative arrival times corresponds to flights arriving earlier, so those are all okay if they're negative. But if they're more than 15 after their scheduled arrival time, then they're late. So we want to test the claim that 78.3% of the flights are on time. And so what we've got is that it's equal to 78.3 is the claim, and so the null hypothesis is going to be equal. The alternative hypothesis is going to be not equal. And so when we look for the test statistic, what we have to do is, excuse my cat, we have to look at these and say, okay, how many of these are more than 15 minutes late? And so when we look at it, we have, looking at the list, it's hard to look at all the data. There's different ways we can do this. I'm going to copy it to clipboard, and my cat's making a lot of noise. And then I'm going to paste that into Microsoft Excel. When I do that, we have this list of data here, and if I sort this from A to Z, like so, then what we see is that there are four out of the 40 that are more than 15. Those 14-minute late ones are not going to be considered late because they're only 14 minutes late. So we have 4 out of the 14. Now, in order to calculate the test statistic, I'm going to just type in the formula here. And so we're going to have equals, the top is p hat, which in this case, a little frowny face there, equals 4 out of 40. So that's actually 0.1. Are late, but we're not interested in that. We're interested in what percentage are on time. And so that's actually going to be 36 out of 40 is what we're looking at, because 4 out of 40 are late, so 36 out of 40 are on time, minus the P in the claim, and we said in the claim it was 0.783, so minus 0.783, divided by the square root of, what do we have in the claim? We have, it's what, P times Q over N, and so P is 0.783 times Q is going to be 1 minus that. Let me just do 1 minus 0.783 divided by N. Well, we have 40 different data values, and we get a z-score of 1.80. So I go over here and I type in 1.80, and we've got that. And from there, it's all good.